offing trouble dyan sa Osamis na naman. Kaya isang mayor binaril at a distance. Sniper. So I'm going to that place again. Yung Kuratong Baliling na yung namatay na si Parahinog. It's the Parahinog family who's still controlling. Ito yung mga drugista. So may sabi ko, make no mistake about it. Baka naging kwentro, lumaban ka kasi ang order ko to take you dead or alive. Ayaw maniwala ng human rights. Wala daw yan. Anong wala? Noon pa yan, that's the practice. Even in America, reward sa mga cowboy noon movies, reward, dead or alive. So sabi ko, I want them dead. Hindi ko sinabi na you execute them while kneeling down with their hands up in surrender. Hindi naman yan, kasi parang hindi ka lalaki. Pagka ganon, you're playing God. Pero wala kaming nangyari. Not na alam ko. Kasi hindi, nagle-lecture ako sa Police Academy sa Region 11. I was a lecturer. I never lectured about killing a criminal while lying on his knees, on bended knee. Pero sabi ko, pag lumaban, puruhin mo na. Kung dala mo ang Armalite mo, huwag lang isang putok. Pagka lumaban, if there is a violent resistance, yung Armalite mo is about 20 rounds, ubusin mo na yung gusto mo. Pagka lumaban. And what is the thin line of when the life of a law enforcer is also placed in jeopardy or baka mamatay siya, puruhin na niya. Puruhin mo, tamaan mo sa, if you hit him in the stomach, he will still have the strength to pull the trigger. Wala, slight lang yan. Madidisgrasya ka pa. Well, centrally, I do not want my policemen and my military guys to die needlessly. When as a matter of fact, yun dapat yung isa ang mamatay. Kaya ano yan sila na ang bunganga ako. Ayan, ang totoo eh. Mas nakikinig yung mga abogado. Yan ang, that's the rule actually. Yung ibang lang, kasi takot pag election, drug money, tapos yung kagaya sa nangyayari ngayon, may mayor in a gathering sa Christmas, pinatay ng umamil man siguro ang target, no? Uminal. Si Uminal ang nandoon rin eh. Tumindig yung mayor, pagputok sa ulo, tinamaan. There's itong Kuratong Baliling na to, sabi ko, they pose a danger to society. They have challenged the authority of government. Kay may mayor sila doon na, ayun, sad to say it in public, yung mayor doon was the kingpin. Siya ang nagluluto doon sa Osamis. Kaya mga taga... They are challenging the authority and they are asking for it. Kaya ayaw mo mamatay in the hands of the police. O you stop your dirty business of crime. Sabi ko nga nito, we will in a few months baba tayo. Yung inumpisahan na nila yung mga anti-drug yun mga mayor na yun eh. Anak na waiting. I hope the police and the military